Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So 今日はですね、日本人の若者がよく使う、日本語のフレーズを3選紹介していきたいと思います。First off, I wanna say huge thank you for everyone who's leaving ideas in the comments. It's been so inspiring to hear from you, and I hope to upload the videos based on your suggestions in the future. Okay, so today's phrases, these will make you sound supernatural when speaking Japanese. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, number one. Number one is いかつい. いかつい. This word is described to someone who looks tough, intimidating, or even a little bit scary. It's often used for someone who looks strong or edgy appearance, like bold fashion or tattoos. It's something like rappers or something like that. Here is the example. Example number one. あの人、いかついね。あの人、いかついね。It means that person looks intimidating. あの is that. 人 is a person. So that person looks intimidating. あの人いかついね。あの人、いかついね。Okay, so example number two. この車、いかつくない？この車、いかつくない？ Isn't this car kind of intense? この is this. 車 is a car. この車、いかつくない？ Isn't this car kind of intense? この車、いかつくない？ Something like this. But don't worry, いかついdoesn't always mean something bad. It's often used in a casual way to admire something cool or edgy. Okay, number two. Number two is Charai. Charai. This one is super common among young people. It's used to describe someone who's a bit flashy or maybe not serious. Here is the examples. Number one. 彼、ちょっとチャラくない？彼、ちょっとチャラくない？ It means, isn't he kind of flirty? Isn't he kind of flirty? 彼 is he or him. And ちょっと is, it means little bit, kind of, チャラくない? Like it's a question. Isn't he kind of flirty? チャラい is flirty. So, isn't he kind of flirty? 彼ちょっとチャラくない? Something like this. Example number two. Number two is あの店員さんめっちゃチャラいよね。あの店員さんめっちゃチャラいよね。It means that store clerk is really flashy, isn't he? あの is that. 店員さん店員 is store clerk. めっちゃ is very チャラいよね。あの店員さんめっちゃチャラいよね。That store clerk is really flashy, isn't he? Something like this. Recently, one of my best friends told me my hair looks a little bit flashy, charai. So I decided to get the haircut soon because my hair is a bit long and a little bit messy. So I decided to go. Okay, number three. Number three is Emoi. Emoi. This word comes from the English word like emotional. But in Japanese, it's used to describe something that's deeply moving, nostalgic, or really hits you emotionally. Example number one. この曲めっちゃエモい。この曲めっちゃエモい。This song is emotional. This song is emotional. この is this. 曲 means a song. めっちゃエモい。めっちゃ as I said before.Very エモい。この曲めっちゃエモい。This song is so emotional. Okay? Example number two. その写真めっちゃエモいね。It means that photo is so nostalgic. その is that. 写真 is photo. めっちゃ is very エモいね。その写真めっちゃエモいね。Something like this.It's a super versatile word that you can use for anything that stirs up your strong emotions, whether it's a memory, a piece of art, or even a beautiful sunset. That's all for today. Now you have learned 3 essential Japanese phrases that will sound really like native young Japanese people. Try them out and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And if you want to learn Japanese more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like button. And also, I'm always waiting for your comments. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.